time Sunshine is not sleeping. And today we've got day number 13. And it is way smaller than the packages.
Interesting. But it probably didn't fit in the small envelope, right? So let's see what's inside.
Yeah, it had to be big. This is
What is it? It's a laser cut. This is a cute watercolor laser cut. You can actually color this with the watercolor pencils you received a few days ago. It is our Junior Prestige watercolor laser cut. It's called I Choose You. Out and about, a lunch date. So good and love. So very sweet, just great for titles for your scrapbooking layouts. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back tomorrow with day number 14. Bye.
Bye.